Charlie, what's the matter? I won't give you that bone. Say, Sissy, give me the bone. Tell her, Charlie. Tell her. Uh-oh, what was that? Huh? Tell her, Charlie. Tell her, Charlie. Tell her. Say, give me that bone, Sissy. I want it. Get her.
She said, I had it first.
Get her, Charlie. Get her. Get her. Get that bone. Go on, get her. Babe, mute that TV. Get her, Charlie. Get her. Charlie Burrito. Hey, Charlie. Get that bone. Get the bone. Get it. Get that bone. Can you get it? Ooh, that's a big girl bark. She's reacting to the Reds game. They almost hit a home run. The other team. Who are we playing? The Phillies. All right. That was funny.